He's not a dentist. The doctor will wash your ears.
I'm going to wash your ear, not the mouth. Look at mama. Don't move, ah. I'm going to wash your ear. Hold lang. There we go. She's just water. Please don't move. There.
Oh. That's okay. Oh, yucks.
There.
Your mess. That's okay, Gab-Gab. Behave. Stay.
No more on this side.
Ay, ganun lang pala yun, Dok? Ha?
Basta soft na siya, ma'am. Gawas lang.
Gatabog lang?
Oo. Okay.
Oh, do you feel better now to your ears?
Try naman.
Still itchy?
Yeah.
Oh,
Itchy my ear.
Ah, okay. One ear more pa.
More, ah.
Yan sa balay, tanawan niyo yung video niya, kakadlaw man siya. Kadlaw yung sarili niya.
Just don't move, ah. Please don't
Okay,
move. Okay.
don't move and... Oh,
And just wash it.
ano? The doctor will just wash.